Hi everyone, Troy Sage here of Sage & Associates at Realty One Group Southwest, and today we're in the fantastic community of Red Hawk in South Temecula. Welcome to 32134 Caminito Osuna. This amazing 4-bedroom, 3-bath home is located on a corner lot, and one of the special things about this community, it is in the highest ranked schools in all of Temecula and the Inland Valley. Let's go inside and check this out. When entering this wonderful home through double door entry, you are immediately greeted by a beautiful foyer with upgraded spiral staircase and banister. The spacious family room is perfect for entertaining or relaxing. Notice the beautiful upgraded flooring. The formal dining room just off the family room and kitchen area is perfect for entertaining, but is currently being used as a den. If you love entertaining or just cooking, you will love this gourmet style kitchen, which is adjacent to another large family room with natural gas fireplace and breakfast nook. Traveling upstairs, you will notice the extra storage space, double door entry to the master suite, and hallway to 3 additional bedrooms. This amazing oversized master suite is absolutely beautiful with vaulted ceilings and upgraded ceiling fan. The master bathroom is large in size, has a wonderful walk-in closet, separate tub and shower area, and dual sinks. The additional bedrooms upstairs are large in size with plenty of closet space. The upstairs bathroom has custom tile flooring, dual sinks, and a private water closet and tub area. The downstairs bathroom is absolutely amazing. Notice the custom tile on the wall splash. The back and side yard of this amazing home has stunning views, is large in size, comes with a custom patio and awning, and is perfect for entertaining or relaxing. As you can see, this is an amazing property located on a corner lot. Remember, highly desired area of Red Hawk with award-winning schools. If you'd like more information on this property or any property in the area, contact us today. My name is Troy Sage of Sage & Associates at Realty One Group Southwest. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe and make it a great day.